Hey, it's another day with May, and today we are making healthy chicken tenders. All right, let's dive straight into the ingredients. First up, you need a 1.5 cups of almond flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of thyme, that's a tongue twister, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, make sure it's the finely ground one, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and last but not least, 500 grams of chicken tenders. All right, let's get cooking. Okay, so first off, we need to make our crust. So we're gonna start by using our pepper, or grabbing our pepper. Five hours later. All right, there we go. Followed by our salt. The onion powder. Parmesan cheese. Thyme. Can never get enough of thyme. Garlic powder. And then whisk it all together. All right. That should do the trick. So the Parmesan cheese is really gonna give that nice flavor, but if you are dairy free, you can go ahead and leave that out. All right, now we're gonna make our egg wash. Put that off to the side. Grab your 3 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Perfect. Now, I just got almond flour in my eye. Okay, that was stupid. All right, now whisk. All right, so I've lined my tray and I've also preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So let's go finish these, put them in the oven, and see how they come out. Time to put it in the oven. And done! They look so delicious and crispy. So what I did was I baked them for about 30 minutes, 25 to 30 depending on your oven, on 180 degrees Celsius, and I flipped them halfway through. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.